Hello my friends, welcome to my channel Your Body and Day, and today I will teach you how to an amazing recipe for chayote with shrimp, made at home. You who like to eat something healthy for dinner. Well, this recipe is quick and very easy and doesn't need many ingredients. But before I pass this recipe on to you, I'm making it available, an all-natural supplement, to be helping you in your weight loss. There are no contraindications because it is a natural product, and if you follow using it correctly will help you a lot in your weight loss, as it helped many people regain their self-esteem again. I'll be leaving the link here in the description and in the first pinned comment. The official website of this product only is made available on this channel. Do not buy elsewhere as you may be wasting your money. So if you already like the subject, leave your like and subscribe to the channel to receive lots of healthy tips and recipes. For this recipe you will need a tablespoon of oil or olive oil, 2 minced garlic cloves, a small chopped onion, 2 cups tea of chayote in small cubes, a cube or envelope of vegetable or shrimp broth, 500 g of clean small shrimp, a cup tea of hot water, salt, pepper and chopped parsley to taste, white rice and lettuce and tomato salad to accompany. Method of preparation. On high heat, heat a pan with the oil and sauté onion and garlic for 5 minutes or until golden. Add the chayote, vegetable or shrimp broth and hot water. Cook over low heat for 15 minutes, stirring occasionally, or until the chayote softens and the water dries up. Add the shrimp, salt and pepper and sauté, stirring for 3 minutes. Serve sprinkled with parsley and, if desired, with white rice and lettuce and tomato salad. Now just enjoy. Hope you liked the recipe. Leave it here in the comments if you liked it. A big hug and until the next video.